I just woke up by the noise of my neighbor, apartment 504. The guy is living there and he's singing on top of his lung. And we're living in the apartment building where there are many apartments, and he's literally interrupting my peace, and I had to wake up because of his noise. How you guys like do that? I don't understand. Manners, like I have never ever seen in my life such an unmannered people. Before doing any action, think of the other people. You are living in an apartment building where other people live. And when I asked him, are you singing? He said, no, like, I'm not stupid. I know who is singing.